and Sonny. Says na name dey even rhyme sef. Why una go dey fight after match? Coach, na him first throw me blow after match.
Coach, if na you wey person wey you senior dey tell you nonsense inside pitch, wetin you go do? You get luck sef say I no scatter your teeth.
Coach, you see him dey plan scatter my teeth. Hey! Oya, two of una shut up there. Money, you think say here na Liverpool wey go dey fight with Salah up and down? Oya, tell am sorry.
Coach, if I tell am sorry ba, make my life bend. If you wan flog me, flog me. But you see ba, I no fit tell this small boy sorry. He no know wetin I don see for this life.
No problem. Una go dey like this now. But shut up there. And you, wetin be your name sef?
Upamecano, sir.
Upa wetin?
Upamecano, sir.
Sir, you carry name like those 1926 British team locomotive.
What?
So if them call Bayern German machines now, you go full locomotive.
Yes, sir.
Get my time. Which kind dirty machine you be, sir? Machine where them no fit put oil. Every time you go do mistake. Them born you by mistake. You don't go so much give City now. Come put me for this impossible condition. Idiot.
Oga Lampard, welcome back to Chelsea Football Club, sir.
Thank you.
Some analysts dey talk say the only reason why Oga Bowley take bring you come na to quiet Chelsea fans.
How?
Based on say na Chelsea legend you be, dem no go quick start the shout say make dem comot you, at least for the 2 months wey you go dey.
Who be those analysts and where them got their football school? Oga Bowley hire me to come manage Chelsea professionally on the interim. But make I tell you now, by the end of the season after 2 months, wetin I go don accomplish with Chelsea ba? Na him go dey beg me say make I sign long-term contracts with them.
But as you don start your second coming with 2 strong losses.
Who tell you say the loss is strong?
With 8 games to go for EPL and no clear way to comot Madrid for Champions League, how you wan take make Oga Bowley retain you for this Chelsea job?
The Real Madrid you dey see for this Champions League, you shall see no more. When we reach Stamford Bridge for the presence of our fans, na there you go see the main ball.
With injured Koulibaly and Chilwell red card,
You know mean?
Him dey plan take advantage of that big mouth wey Chelsea fans get because him hear say fans na extra man for pitch.
Sorry, wetin you dey do here?
But wetin you no know be say the water wey dey under Stamford Bridge go cold like ice water when Benzema score na another goal.
So, because you manage the second for Serie A, you come get mind dey move up and down like say na you get Europe abi?
Na true sef, I never congratulate you on top your new Chelsea job.
Drop your congratulations, I no need them.
Chai, it's a pity. I no go meet una for Champions League next season. Instead, na that Arsenal terrorist we go need to deal with for Champions League.
All of una go shock on top wetin Chelsea go become after 2 months under me.
Will you keep quiet?
The electricity wey we wan use shock us. If you donate am give Naija small. I hear say their national grid dey collapse anyhow for that country.
Na your father go donate electricity give Naija, idiot.
Come, I hear say Wolves bite una last weekend. Hope say dem no give una lebies.